Hello, folks, and welcome to another episode of The Nature Report, the show where we report about the nature. I'm your host, Rick Keynes. It's no secret that our world is facing a pandemic like never before. From doctors, nurses, and emergency responders to construction workers, grocery store clerks, and delivery drivers, all have been affected. And here at The Nature Report, we commend all of your combined efforts in keeping us safe during these troubling times. However, very few of us have stopped to think about those most harshly affected by this pandemic. I'm talking, of course, about the fuckboys. Right now, millions of fuckboys around the world are facing an absolute crisis. Deprived of easy punani and unfulfilling, unimpressive sex. Completely devoid of any meaningful emotional connection. These poor fuckboys are facing an extinction level event. The very survival of this once abundant species is what's at stake. Now, before you turn a blind eye, I invite you to listen to a few heartfelt stories illustrating the plight of the common North American fuckboy.
Yeah, I used to be happy. I used to get laid all the time. But ever since this gay-ass virus started, no girls will have me over at their place. It's fucking bullshit. So, since I haven't been getting any pussy, I started all these gay-ass hobbies. Today I painted this stupid fucking watercolor. And I started an online pastry class. I'm thinking about starting a pottery class. Oh God.
It's okay, man. You're safe now. The world needs to hear your story.
No, you don't understand. I learned how to play ukulele. Vance Joy's Riptide. I like the song.
It's okay, man. It's okay. We'll get through this together. We have to.
Man, I used to go to the gym all the time. These babes would be checking me out. Dudes too. Actually, it was mostly dudes. I don't even know why the fuck I do this shit anymore. Maybe we should go back to school for biology. Like a fucking nerd.
But it doesn't have to be this way. Through the Fuckboy Salvation and Benefit Society, or FBS, BS for short, you can sponsor one of these poor fuckboys today. With your loving support and donations, you can be the light in a dim world. You can put an end to these poor fuckboys being forced to self-reflect, gain higher self-awareness, make meaningful emotional connections. Instead, we will provide physical validation, ego boosts, a sense of self-importance, and of course, hope for a better tomorrow. For as little as 3 nudes and 1 sext per day, you can sponsor a fuckboy in this time of utmost need. When you sponsor a fuckboy through FBS, BS, you will receive daily correspondences tracking their progress. From 4 a.m. texts like, miss you, DTF tonight, ? Or want some blow? You'll also receive random unsolicited dick pics. Every step of the way, you'll know that your contribution has made an impact in a poor fuckboy's life and ended any sort of meaningful self-growth and allowed that poor fuckboy to continue living solely within his own inflated ego. I hope you will consider donating to FBS BS this holiday season. Because remember, the greatest gift you can give is the gift of hope.